Stop paying for CapCut subscriptions. Today, I'm revealing the latest CapCut Pro version 16.3.0 global update, where every single premium feature is ready for you to use. First, let's check the version. As you can see, we're running 16.3.0. This is the most stable and smoothest version released for 2026, and it's compatible with all devices. Look at these AI tools. Usually, these effects are locked behind a paywall, but in this version, you can apply any pro transition, filter, or AI effect with just one click. No watermarks, no limits. And the best part? You can export your project in full 4K resolution at 60 FPS with Smart HDR enabled. Your videos will look crystal clear on YouTube and TikTok. I know you want to get your hands on this. To keep your phone safe and avoid any bugs, I've put the secure link in the first pinned comment below. Just follow the simple steps on my site to get it. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more editing secrets. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.